This is episode 1542. Welcome to the Daily Meditation Podcast. I'm Mary Meckley, and I honor you for giving yourself such goodness as you get ready to meditate. This is the final episode of our series we've been exploring this week on self-care for your body. This has been part of a full month-long self-care collection where each week we've explored different aspects of self-care. We explored your mind, your spirit, and your body has been this week. And as you've explored self-care for your body, you have discovered one of the most important aspects of keeping your body healthy, and that is by listening to your body. Not so much exercising and eating well, although I have several episodes, or rather full series, on how to do that, how to give yourself a lot of fitness or eating well for your body. But this series has been about listening to where you're harboring your different emotions in your body. And this is one of the most important aspects of self-care for your body you could give yourself. And you've had a couple challenges this week. I've encouraged you to straighten your spine. Your spine in yoga and meditation is referred to as your lifeline, because when your spine is straight, go ahead and straighten your spine right now. You can actually feel this. You feel more alert, more attuned to your body. You have more awareness, and most importantly, you have higher awareness. Now, if you slump over, go ahead and slump over. Do you feel that? Do you feel your emotional as well as your mental state collapse? You shift your energy downward. Now go ahead and straighten your spine again. Whether you're standing or seated, straighten your spine. Feel that higher awareness. You feel uplifted automatically, not only physically, but emotionally and mentally. So when you straighten your spine, you become more aware of what's going on in your life. But you're becoming more aware at a level that's more elevated. So you've also had the challenge to walk. Walking in nature if you possibly can. Although if you live in a city or a suburb and it's not in such a natural, beautiful setting, that is fine. Just the fact that you're getting out there, moving your body. Movement is as important as stillness. So as we close out a final episode of a series, I always encourage you to get out and do a walking meditation. This is going to connect you with what's going on outside. You're part of nature. Immerse yourself in it. And in Japan, they've refined this kind of walking therapy, as they refer to it, or forest bathing, as Shinrin Roku. And this is a way many people heal from diseases, heal from depression, or prevent depression, or prevent diseases. You can do the same thing, especially if you walk in areas where there are tall, green trees. What a great thing you're doing for yourself on the weekend. This is being recorded for a Saturday's meditation, although you can listen to it or do it anytime you want. So as you are guided in today's meditation technique, know that we have full guided meditations on our SIP and OM meditation app. We have the iOS, Apple, and Android version waiting for you. You can try it for 2 weeks absolutely free on a special promotion we are offering now. You get 30-minute guided meditations organized into weekly themes, just like we do here on the podcast. But the meditations are created to where you can meditate for however long you want. Maybe 5 minutes, maybe 10, 15, 20, all the way up to half an hour. It's up to you. You also get a guide with each week's series, as well as a journal. So you can go deeper into the weekly series. You get one of those each week. Plus you get a Facebook group of meditators just like you. So again, the SIP, SIP, and A&D, OM, OM, the SIP and OM app. Try it for 2 weeks free. Our gift to you. So go ahead now and get ready to do a walking meditation. Now, you may not always be able to get outside and walk. I understand that. In that case, try to sit outside to meditate, or at least open a window or door. This takes your meditation to the next level. As you step outside into nature, or you're seated, visualizing yourself in your favorite natural location, take a look around you. Notice your surroundings. Use all your senses. Your sight, what do you see? The sound, what do you hear? What do you feel as you walk and touch the earth? Or maybe you're seated, planted firmly into the ground, or into a chair, wherever you are. And attune yourself to your surroundings. And as you walk, try not to engage yourself so much into your surroundings. Notice them, become aware, but allow yourself to remain more interiorized, staying close to your inner stillness. Just as with your day-to-day events and triggers and distractions and the wonderful things that come your way, not allowing yourself to get too immersed in any one emotion, maintaining that stillness, that place of quiet and peace within yourself, regardless of what's going on around you. So this is your technique to take into your meditation today. I have so enjoyed this series of self-care for your body. As you meditate, meditate just to the point where you could go a little bit longer. Always end your meditation on a high note. And as always, you are so worth slowing down for.